Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the completing of the square method. Sometimes it's easier to use it than using the normal way how to solve equations, quadratic equations. But yeah, I think we should know them both ways. So let's say um, so things that you have to know by doing to do this is I write a quadratic equation. Let's say like let's say okay 3x squared plus 24x plus 21. This can be equal to 0 or greater than 0, yeah, or less or equal to 0, doesn't matter, yeah. So first thing, if you want to use the this method, the completing of the square method, here the coefficient of x squared has to be 1, equal to 1. So this has to be 1. What to do to get here 1? We divide everything by this coefficient, yeah? So if we divide everything by 3, first step is we'll get x squared plus 8x plus 7 equal to 0 or greater or equal to 0. This doesn't matter, yeah, just forget about this part, yeah. That is the first thing. Then we are going to use a formula. It's not a formula but just a way. So I'm going to write it with the red, like for example if we have x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, or let's say doesn't matter this, yeah. Then to complete the square we do like write always x, okay, plus if here was a minus then we will write here minus as well, but in our case we have plus, yeah. b over 2 square always. So this b, the coefficient of x to the power of 1, you divide it by 2, yeah. After that comes plus that is something, doesn't matter, yeah. For now I'm going to show you why we put b over 2, because when we expand this quadratic x plus b over 2 square, we will get x squared plus 2 times x times b over 2, which means bx, that is it, yeah. And we will get something more, which is b squared over 4. B squared over 4, we don't have it here, so we will have to subtract it afterwards. I'm going to write it here, like let's expand this one. This will get x squared plus 2 times x times b over 2, yeah, plus b over 2 square, yeah. That these two can be cancelled with these two, right? And then we will have in the end x squared plus xb or bx plus b over b squared over 4, yeah, plus So what is the difference between that and that and that, the first one, yeah, yeah? What is the difference? Forget about c because we will have it here somewhere. We will have here plus c, here we will have plus c, yeah. The difference is here we have x squared bx bx. Here we don't have anything, and here we have plus b squared over 4. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to subtract what we just add. So we add here b squared over 4. Here we don't have any b squared over 4. We have c bx x squared. So the only thing that we will have to do is subtract b squared over 4. So minus b squared over 4. Yeah, and these two we can add them together, we'll get plus or minus something. Yeah, and the whole is equal to 0, or the rest doesn't matter. Okay, so that is the way how to find the this how to understand this method. I'm going to do our example. I'm going to do this example to see. Okay, just 1 second. Sorry for the quality of the video. I'm just like filming with my hand and one hand and then writing with the other hand. So okay, let's do this one. Yeah, so first thing, I divide everything by 3 to get here 1. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do straight x. Here we have a plus, so plus the coefficient of x divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2 square. Okay, here we will have something, this plus 7, we leave it here, and let's say we put equal to 0. Yeah, in this case, here's I'm going to write something else. To know what am I going to write here, let's expand this one. Yeah, what if we do open the bracket here, we get x squared plus 2 times x times 8 over 2 plus 8 squared over 4, or 2 squares first. Yeah, over 2 squared, right, which is x squared. This 2 can be cancelled with this 2, plus 8x, yeah, plus 64 divided by 4. 8 squared is 64 and 2 squared is 4. So now you can see this one and this one. What is the difference? Here we have x squared, we have here x squared as well. Yeah, we have plus 8x plus 8x. Yeah, here we have plus 7, here we don't have it, so we'll write here plus 7. Yeah, here we have plus 64 over 4, here we don't have anything, so here we don't have anything. So what we have to do to get from this to that, we'll have to subtract this one, 64 over 4. Yeah, 64 over 4 minus 64 over 4 plus 7 equal to 0, okay. So now if you we open the bracket, this plus 64 over 4 minus 64 over 4 will be 0, right? This will be 0, but we don't want to open the bracket because we need the 64 over 4 inside the bracket to get this squared. Yeah, okay. And this subtracting it back, we add it to the c. Yeah, so what we will get, this x squared plus 8x plus 64 over 4 is x plus 8 over 2, which is 4, yeah, square. So x plus 8 over 2 all square minus 64 over 4 plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this 8 over 2 is 4, so we just put x plus 4 square minus, and here we do the same denominator, so it's 4. It is here is minus, so 64, and then minus, because here minus times minus is plus. 8 times 4 is 28. Okay, equal to 0. X plus 4 square minus 14 minus 6 30 here 4 equal to 0. If I do a mistake, sorry, but yeah, 80 14 to 6 so yeah, 64 minus 28 is 36 over 4, and this is x plus 4 square minus 64 over 36 so 36 over 4 is 9, is equal to 0. And this 9 we can take it to the other side, so x plus 4 square is equal to plus 9, yeah, which is 3 square, yeah. And yeah, from here we can take the square out in case this is positive. So we have two cases here, case 1, case 2. Case 1, I'm going to write it here. So case 1, x plus 4. I'm going to write everything here, just this last line, 3 square. To take the square out, this thing must be positive. So here let's say let x plus 4 be positive, yeah. That means in this case x plus 4 is equal to 3. I took the square from both sides. That means x is equal to minus 1. That is the first solution, yeah. Second solution, if we let the x plus 4 be negative. If it's negative, that means we'll have to change to take the square out, we'll have to change the inside to be positive. So I don't know if it makes any sense while I'm saying it, but look, I'm going to write this the same. I'm going to show you x plus 4 square is equal to 3 square, right? That's the same as before. We know that square, if we do minus inside, yeah, x plus 4 square. This we didn't change anything because minus square is plus, right? Minus square is plus, is equal 3 square. We have to do this step if x plus 4 is negative, so that the inside will be positive before to take the square out, right? That means here minus x minus 4 all square is equal to 3 square. Now the inside, in case x plus 4 is less than 0, that means x is less than minus 4, yeah. In this case we have minus x minus 4 all squared is equal to 3 square, yeah. And this is positive, that the inside of the bracket is positive, that means we can take the squares out, and 3 is positive obviously, yeah? So minus x minus 4 is equal to 3. That means minus x is equal to 7. That means x is equal to minus 7, right? So, and now we have the two solutions. One solution is x is equal minus 1. One solution is x is equal minus 7. I know that's a little too long because I'm doing step by step and so, but in case we are, like, for example, in a test or something, then I tell you, like for example this, I'm going to show you everything in one time first. Yeah, so step by step. So in the exam, for example, or in a test, I will, for example, go from here. I will do this line. I'll not have to 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 do this line. Okay. So there is like one line, two lines, and then straight you go to this third line, this one. Minus 9 is equal to 0. You can also do it in head. So you get 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And if this is positive, so you don't have to do this line. You don't have to do this line. You can find out straight x this. If x is less than minus 4, then you can tell straight x is equal to minus 7. Yeah, this is in general. I'm going to do I'm going to do the part that we are using, the completing the square that was in the last test. I'm going to do it here. So just 1 second, I put the camera down while I'm cleaning this board. 1 second. Sorry for that, yeah? I don't have the materials to film while I'm clearing the board, and I don't want to do another video for the same, to do the same thing, yeah? Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's see. What's the question in the test? Not the question, but I'm going to say it. So they come to like x is it plus 3 times x plus 8 is greater than 0. Yeah. From this you expand. You'll get x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 24 greater than 0. 3x plus 8x is 11x, so x squared plus 11x plus 24 greater than 0. Okay. So what we say we are doing? What are we doing? We are so we open the bracket, write x. Here we have a plus, so plus 11. This coefficient of x, not x squared, we divide by 2. 11 divided by 2 square. Yeah. This you can do it in our head now. This, if we expand this, we'll get x squared plus 11x plus 11 over 2 all square. And to get back to this, we'll have to minus the 11 over 2 square. Right? Because if you expand this, you get plus 11 over 2 square. But here we don't have 11 over 2 square, then mean we take it back. Like we add, like if for example we add something and we take it straight, we subtract it straight after, like x plus 1 minus 1 is the same as x, because we add 1 and we subtract 1 at the same after it's, yeah. This plus 24 stays here, equal greater than 0. So this is x plus 11 over 2 square minus this 11 square is 2. I just say something here in the side, yeah. To multiplicate anything with 11, like let's say two numbers with 11, like for example a, b. If you multiplicate it by with 11, the result you'll get 1 in this side and 1 in this side, and then in the middle you get one number which is a plus b. Yeah, this is just I don't know why I'm saying it, but let's say for example just like 17 times 11, you will write here 1, here 1, here 7, here 1, 7, yeah, a 1, sorry, here will be b, here b. Okay, so stupid I can. Okay, and then when you add 7 plus 1 is 8, so 17 times 11 is 178. If it's 12 times 11, you put 1 and 2 here, and then the middle you add 2 to 1 is 3. Yeah, if it's, yeah, okay. I think you'll know it already. I don't know why I'm wasting your time, sorry. So 11 squared divided by 4 plus 24 is greater than 0. That is x plus 11 over 2 all square minus, put same common denominator, it's 4, it's minus here, so just 121, and because here is minus, here plus, I must add here a minus, yeah, because minus is plus, don't forget this is, so 24 times 4 is 96, I think, yeah, it's 96, and greater than 0. Same here, x plus 11 over 2 square minus over 4, yeah, this is 11 minus 6 is 5, 25 over 4 is greater than 0. And usually 90%, sorry, I got somebody to write me, okay, usually the thing that we get here is something squared divided by something squared. It's 90%, yeah. So like here it's 5 squared over 2 squared, right? So I'm going to do it, x plus 11 over 2 all square minus 5 over 2 square greater than 0. Yeah, you see, it's nearly always we get the minus if you add the both together. This what you subtract back what you add, and then you add the c, this, then usually they give us like they will come together to something square, right? Like 5 square over 2 square, which is 25 over 4. Now this 5 over 2 square, we take it to the other side, we'll get x plus 11 over 2 square is greater than 5 over 2 square. Okay, now next step is to take the square out. To take the square out from here and here, this must be positive, which is already positive, 5 over 2 is positive, and this must be positive, yeah, so this must be positive. So here we will get two cases again. I'm going to write the same here. X plus 11 over 2 square is greater than 5 over 2 square. So first case, x plus